You come out clean, but your shower glass stays dirty. And I'm not talking about other stains. I'm talking about water spots. So as you guys can see, we're outside the detail garage today and I'm at home and I'm gonna show you how you could be getting crystal clear glass so like this you don't have calcium buildup ruining your bathroom. All right, so we're here at the glass shower door. I did put up a little screen over there so you guys can see the water spots a little bit better. If I rub my hand on it, it does not come off. I mean, I'm gonna be quiet just so you guys can hear it. So all of that is just basically calcium buildup, and if you're a car owner, you park next to sprinklers, you're gonna find out that that's what happens, especially at home. If you don't have filtered water or any filtration system, you're bound to get water spots, and over time, your glass shower door is going to turn opaque, and after it starts turning opaque, it's actually gonna give it this ruined look, and calcium buildup actually etches itself into the glass. Now I'm here to show you an easy way that you could be using your car care products at home, so like this you can eliminate water spots. Now a lot of people might tell you to use vinegar and water. I'm here to tell you, I tried it out and it smelled like shit. So I'm here to tell you that you could actually be using your car care products inside or at home to remove water spots, and it's super simple. All you need is a couple chemicals, obviously a microfiber towel and an applicator. So first things first, what you want to do is clean up the surface. I already went ahead and cleaned it up using a speed wipe, but then step number 2 is going to be getting your heavy duty water spot remover gel. Now heavy duty water spot remover gel is great on glass. You could also use it on paint. You could also use it on metal surfaces to remove etched in water spots. Now this heavy duty water spot remover gel is a super strong gel that's going to eat away any calcium buildup, and it's not as hard or difficult at all. One, all you need to do is just rub it on side to side. I'm just gonna be doing this little cube right here, or this little square, just so I can show you how fast I remove it. Now, what a lot of people misunderstand is this gel needs to be worked into the surface. Don't just go ahead and just rub it on. No, you want to work this gel into the surface. What I like to do, the very first coat. I like to come back and I like to get a secondary coat or secondary application onto my microfiber applicator. I'll go back to the surface and then I'll just start rubbing it on side to side. Now, by me rubbing it side to side, like lotion onto your skin, it's going to allow me to work the gel into the glass. So like this, it helps me remove any water spots, stains, or so much more. And then I'm just gonna go a little bit more side to side. And I already start seeing that heavy duty water spot remover gel is doing a great job at lifting away all the water spots from the glass. So like this, I don't have water spots. So I'm just rubbing it side to side. Now, the second question you guys might be asking us right now in the comment section down below, how can I prevent water spots if I'm in my shower glass? Do not worry, I have a product for you. Let me just remove these water spots, and then after I remove these water spots, I'm gonna show you how you could actually protect it so like this, whenever you're showering and you're splashing everywhere, you don't get any water spots. So I'm actually gonna let it sit right there for about like 2 minutes, and then after that, I'll wipe it off using speed wipe. If you are outside working on a car, what I recommend you do is apply it, remove it, apply it, remove it, especially if you're in direct sunlight. But since we're at home, it's cold in here, we're gonna let it sit here for 2 minutes. Okay, so it's been 2 minutes. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna be removing the gel. Now there's 2 different ways you could do it. You could use bare water to, just like from your shower head, to rinse it off. But in this occasion, since I don't want to spill water all over my bathroom floor, I'm actually just gonna be getting speed wipe. Now speed wipe is a quick detail spray. It actually comes in this kit that we're offering. This is a great just spray on wipe off formula that's going to be in between washes, but this is going to help me neutralize the gel. Now, you want to use a liquid to neutralize the gel. If not, it can be a little bit difficult to remove it away from the surface, but that's perfectly fine because speed wipe does an amazing job at removing the gel away from the glass. So just simply spray it on there and then just wipe it off clean. And you guys can already see a big difference. Like there's a big square that looks a lot more clear compared to that side. And it's not hard, it's super easy. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get a little bit more speed wipe because I still see a little bit more gel. I'll spray it onto my towel and then I'm just gonna wipe it right off. And look how simple it was to remove these water spots. You guys can see a big before and after from over here. Look, the glass even doesn't sound raspy at all, it sounds smooth. Compared to up here, gritty, smooth. Now what's step number 3? Step number 3 is going to be actually protecting the glass like this whenever I go to shower. Later on today, if water lands on here, it's not gonna stick. And like this, your crystal clear glass stays clear. You guys can see the difference between this glass door compared to this glass door. So let me just finish up this whole entire door. Once this whole entire door is done, I'll come back to you guys so I can show you guys how you guys can protect your glass within minutes. Okay, so I just finished restoring the whole entire glass, and you guys can see the water spots are finally gone. But I am here to tell you, I did leave it a couple streaks, but that's perfectly fine because I'm gonna take it a step further. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to not only restore a crystal clear glass, but also how to protect your glass from future water spots. So we'll be using our HydroView. HydroView is a ceramic infused glass cleaner, which is simple, spray and wipe. Now I do have a microfiber towel right here. We're gonna start off on the exterior real quick. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna spray it all over the exterior. The only reason why I'm spraying on the exterior as well is because obviously if you do not have a vent in your bathroom might tend to fog up. But by using HydroView, it's going to reduce that. It's also going to add ceramic properties. So like this, your glass looks its best. And all you need to do is just rub it in side to side. And then once you're done rubbing it in side to side, you'll flip it over to another clean towel and just buff off the residue. Now, the streaks are on the inside, but I like to touch up everything from exterior and interior. Ha, get it? Exterior, interior. Such a car guy. But anyways, I like to touch it up on the outside and the inside, just so I can ensure I remove all streaks away from the glass. Because, not gonna lie, this is a big glass shower door, and obviously the master bedroom should look its best. Now, all I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna leave the door closed for you guys. I'll be inside here. All right, okay, so like I was telling you guys, the streaks are inside. So if I rub my finger on here, you guys can see I could make a happy face, I could say hello, I could say everything, but I'm gonna restore it back using our HydroView. So same exact thing. I'll spray it all over the glass. Now, I'm gonna be very, very generous with this. You need to apply a little bit, but I wanna be very generous just so I could ensure I have a true ceramic coated glass shower door. As simple as it sounds, you want to ensure your glass shower door is protected. So like this, whenever you shower next time, like this, you don't have any water spots coming back. So after that, same exact thing, flip it over to another clean side and just buff off the residue. And just like that, we remove all the water spots away from this glass shower door. It is now crystal clear. The water spots are finally gone thanks to heavy duty water spot remover gel. As always, thank you so much for being part of the Chemical Guys family. We will see you guys next time at Chemical Guys Home Edition. I can see clearly now, the rain is gone.